All right, Ava and Angela here with Splitter Splat Pre-K Co-op, and today we're going to show you how to make a simple spinner. It's super duper easy, and you can use regular household items you have around the house. And here's what's the first thing that you need, Ava?
Well, you need a brad.
You need brads, and what else?
And a paper clip.
And a paper clip. You want to show us what you did with that paper clip?
Well, we unfold this piece right here, one of the pieces.
Yeah.
And that's how you
prepare the spinner. Okay, so notice there's got a loop here and then there's a point here. Okay.
Yep.
We also need a piece of paper with our spinner either drawn on it, printed out, whatever you want. And then also something kind of thick. It could be, what could it be, Ava?
It could be cardstock.
Cardstock, or even like cardboard, you know.
Yeah.
Or for us, we've actually used this old folder here. Okay. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna punch holes in the piece of paper that match up with the cardstock backing, right? And then you're going to attach that piece of paper onto the backing, and show us how we did that, Ava.
Well, you need the brad and stuff like that.
Yep, so we just put the brad right through.
Yep.
And kind of tacked it on there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to add our spinner, our actual spinner. Now notice we've already kind of punctured a hole with a pencil or a pen, right? Sometimes you kind of have to do that, especially if you have something really hard on the back. Okay, because those brads are really flimsy, right?
Yep.
Okay, now show me how we're going to do it. What's the first thing you do?
Well, you have the brad. You stick it in there. Stick it in the hole.
Yeah, and then what?
And then you turn the thing over, and you use this.
Okay.
Wait, that's not enough, right?
No, that's okay. Yeah, you can do that. And then what do you do? Right now what I'm doing actually is I'm going to pull this brad up just a little bit so there's some space. Okay, and then
you
just slide it on, huh?
Yeah. Sometimes you have to get it on the right way.
Go for it.
Okay.
And just put it on, see. There you go, yeah, that's fine. Because it'll bend back, see?
Yeah.
All right, so, and see what she's done here? So she's hooked it onto the brad.
And then you can...
And then show us how it works. So it can spin.
And if it won't spin that well, then you pull the brad up a little.
And you pull the brad up a little so it's a little bit taller and gives the paper clip a little more room to spin.
Yep.
You're also going to want to make sure that it's on a flat surface. That can help too, right, Ava?
Yep.
Yeah. So anyway, so that's how you create a simple spinner for all your fun games. All right, say bye, Ava.